Hey there, if you're like me who sometimes gets bored of their food timetable, then I have an idea for you. All you have to do is try something new sometimes, be it for breakfast, for lunch, or even for dinner. And if you're looking or thinking of what to eat tomorrow morning for breakfast, think no more, because this avocado salad is just what you need. This meal is popular in the French-speaking regions of my country, Cameroon, and it only takes a few minutes to make. Well, in French it's an avocado puree, but in English it's called an avocado salad. So guys, please, if you want to know how I made this recipe, you have to keep watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you're an early morning person and you need to eat before leaving for work, you only have 15 minutes, this recipe is for you. If you're that person who comes home from work or from school and is so tired, this recipe is for you. All you need is just some avocados. As you can see, I've got 3 avocados here, an onion. I'm not going to use all of these though, maybe just a tablespoon, sorry. Tomatoes. I'll also be using some honey. You can use sugar if you prefer, but I'll use honey. I'll also be using some avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice, whichever one you have at home. I'll be using some vinegar, and of course, some bread to eat with it. So, after chopping my tomatoes and onions, I also peeled and sliced my avocados into small sizes. And in a clean bowl, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. To this, I'll also add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use sugar if you prefer, but remember to mix the sugar, whisk it well for like 2 to 3 minutes so that it dissolves well. I'm going in now with my vinegar. I'll whisk this for about a minute. If you're using sugar, guys, you have to whisk for about 2-3 minutes, and sometimes you might even let it sit for a while to make sure the sugar dissolves well. To this, I'll add my onions and the tomatoes. I'll also add in my sliced avocados. And my avocado oil. Remember, you can use any other oil. Maybe just 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil will do. I'll mix this for another minute. And voila! My avocado puree or salad, however you want to call it, is ready. I ate this with some French brioche bread. You can as well just eat it by itself. Look at that, guys. This is so healthy. This was a big thing for me when I was in school. So, now tell me how many minutes it took you to make yours after watching this video in the comment section. And if this video was helpful to you, please do not forget to drop a comment, like this video, guys, share to your families, to your friends, share to people you think it might be helpful to them. Any avocado lover, share this video to them. Look at that, guys. You may want to toast your bread or just eat it like that. I for one love eating it like that. So look at that, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.